I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your Apple Music subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your device's home screen and tap on the Settings app. This is where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This is crucial for managing subscriptions. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on the Subscriptions option. Here, you'll find all your active subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. In the list of subscriptions, find and select Apple Music. This will take you to the subscription details page. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Tap on Cancel subscription at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice when prompted. Make sure to check the renewal date to avoid being charged again. If you don't see the option to cancel, it might be because your subscription is already set to expire at the end of the current billing cycle. I hope this helped you manage your Apple Music subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.